Some teams like to review trips before any spending happens, and Trip.biz makes that process a breeze. Let's walk through how to create a travel request together. First, head to your Trip.biz One homepage. You can find Travel Request right under the Manage Trips section. Or, for a shortcut, just click Travel Request at the top and hit New Travel Request to get started. Click Confirm. You'll see a blank form ready to go. Go ahead and fill in your travel reason and select your cost center. Once that's set, click Next. Now, let's build your itinerary. Add every segment you're planning to book, whether it's flights, hotels, or trains. You can even add extras like airport transfers, car rentals, or those handy ancillary add-ons. Let's use a flight as an example. Say you're heading from South Korea to Hong Kong. Pick your dates. You can keep adding to your plan. This time, let's add a hotel. Fill in your destination, dates, and your preferred star rating. Once your plan looks good, hit Submit. Your request will now show as pending while it's routed to your manager for approval. After approval, begin your booking and choose the request in the Travel Request panel on the homepage. This links this booking to the approved budget directly. When you reach the Order Details page, you'll notice your request info is already filled in for you. If the system detects a mismatch, like a budget overrun or the wrong city, it'll give you a quick alert. Just adjust your booking until the alert clears, and you're all set to complete your checkout. And that's it! Your trip is planned, approved, and ready for takeoff. Safe travels, and remember, we're always here if you need a hand.